Egg yolk.
Straight up raw egg.
Ew, that cinnamon was gross.
Nasty Nick. Doing an egg yolk.
Water. Water.
Hold on, shut up. Just shut up.
You know your baseball games are gonna be terrible tomorrow. You're gonna eat salmonella and the cinnamon. This is gonna be.
Was that nasty?
Yes, yes, yes.
Was that like the nastiest thing you've ever done?
Oh my god, hold on.
Dude, I would.
It would be so in the yolk hole.
Dude,
Dude, that's so nasty. That is so nasty.
first swallow, it was like, you know how it's thick?
Yeah.
It was stuck in my throat and I had to take a second swallow and the whole thing. The juices are right and then the yolk.
In the
came in my
movies, they
throat.
have like 3 eggs in there.